Hey, 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 good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you one of my favorites, and it's a black raspberry sherbet jello salad. So, be sure to grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came back to my kitchen, and today we're going to be doing that black raspberry jello salad. Now, as you see, you're going to be needing some of that Kool-Aid sherbet that I showed you how to make, and that's right here. And then you're going to be needing a black raspberry jello. Well, that's what I have all in this quart-sized jar. So let's go ahead and let's start the recipe. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to boil 2 cups of water, and we're going to bring it back, and you're going to be needing 2 3-ounce packages of black cherry jello or cherry jello. You decide. Now, in the video prior to this, I sat there and showed you how to make this tropical Kool-Aid sherbet. So we're going to go ahead and use that. And I'm going to use the black raspberry jello. Here's our gelatin already inside of our dish. Now let's go ahead and pour in that boiling water. And I'm going to grab my whisk, and we're going to sit there and stir this all up until all the gelatin and the sugars in the gelatin are all dissolved. Okay, folks, I gotta work fast because my family's found out about the Kool-Aid sherbet, and it's gonna quickly go fast if I don't quickly make this. So you're gonna be needing 2 pints of the homemade Kool-Aid sherbet. So go ahead and add that fully dissolved gelatin. And there you go. We've added all of the Kool-Aid sherbet. Okay, as you see, our Kool-Aid sherbet has melted all into our gelatin, and it's thickened up quite a bit. Now, just set it off to the side momentarily. Get yourself out another serving dish. Let me put my whipped cream dispenser off to the side. And now, I'm just going to sit there, take all the jello that we made up, and we're going to sit there and put that all inside of our container here. And now, the next thing that we would do is add our whipped cream. Come on, hands, don't fail me now. Okay, let's mix some of that in. Let me grab my whisk, and now just whisk that into our gelatin mixture. I'll be back as soon as I get all of the whipped cream mixed all into the gelatin. And you're going to want it all to be nice and smooth. So I'll be back. Alright, I have the very last of the whipped cream, and now I'm just going to continue to do what we've been doing all along, and we're going to get this all mixed into the gelatin as well. I'll see you when I have all this whipped cream stirred in. Now, go ahead, put this in the refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours or until it's set. Now folks, that's how easy it was to make my black raspberry jello salad. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please go down below. Give me a big old thumbs up. Please leave a comment. I love hearing what each and every one of you all have to sit there and say. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my video. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eating. And y'all come back now. Yeah. Now I really need to get this outside because we're having a Father's Day grill out. So happy Father's Day to y'all.